Hi everyone, this is Sam from the Sandalas shop. Welcome back to our Sandalas training videos. In today's video, we will be making the Pulse Sandala. Starting with the usual eraser rake to make a clean and even canvas. Use the side of the eraser in a bounce motion to create this design. Next, with the rake side of your eraser, make the center design. Following this, using the back of the original rake in a bounce motion, we will be making this design. Use the narrow end of your original rake to outline everything. There you have it, the Pulse Sandala. I hope you enjoyed today's Sandala. As always, stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials and have a beautiful day.